The next one is Globdia. If you're already logged in, you may not see this screen because it will store your user and cookies. You can log in up here or down here. So I just say aceptar o entrar. And you can see here that I have two pseudonyms, which is one Andre Klein and another is Julio. So I would usually publish with Julio. Over here, I can see my news, the news that I've published already, and the author about down here. And here I would publish a new one. Again, it's pretty straightforward. Copy the title. Entradilla is summary, kind of summary. And then here again we can copy directly from Word, and we don't have an HTML option. So this is a typical case where I would basically go back to the Word document and just copy the text version within the Word document. But what we can also do, that we go to our HTML, which we can find either in Tray Edit, or like in this case, we can also use the one that we have in WordPress. Just select it all, go back, and we can paste it directly in this editor. And it will take the format and the links and everything. So here's the link. So we could add a photo. So you can add some from your PC, or you can look in Globdia, but usually these photos are not useful for us. So I could add them from my PC. So I could choose here a file from my PC, but here I can also add one from internet. So I just take the web URL. To add a photo from the web, by the way, we should always, whenever we have the option to add a photo or an image, we should add it because this increases the visibility of our article. So in this case, I will go to doc path, just right click here and say copy image URL. Paste it in here and say add. Here we are. We have the photo. The summary here is that they want at least one summary. It should be a very short one. So what you basically do is you copy the summary you already have, and it may complain that it's too long. We will see this right now. Category, it's pretty straightforward. We usually have technology, or we have economy, and that's basically it for my customers. So in this case it would be economy. We don't need a second one. The type of article we have. So if it's an opinion article, if it's a tutorial, a press release, something that happens, usually it's kind of opinion, in most cases really. And then we add the tags, and there's something here. I will add them right now and we will see later what happens. Free distribution, so basically that's what we will select. There's no need to change this, and the name is correct. So if I now say publicar, I can save also draft, but if I say no publicar, okay, here we have these two errors that I expected. That the summary is too long, and then they say each tag can only have 3 words. So let's go down again and shorten our summary. Basically, the way I do it is just I put some. So that's it. That should be short enough. And here, what they don't like is, okay, we have 2 words, no space, 2 words, no space, 2 words, no space, and here is a space. So if you have some spaces here, even if you have only 3 words, it considers the space an additional word. I don't know why. But if I change this now, so if I say now publish, so this is our news that is going to be published. That's it.